The Elephant Tree by Penny Dale. Elephant wanted to climb a tree. So we went to find the elephant tree. We walked and we walked. We looked and we looked. Is this the elephant tree? No, said the birds. It's the bird tree. Is this the elephant tree? No, said the monkeys. It's the monkey tree. Is this the elephant tree? No, said the tigers. It's the tiger tree. Are any of these the elephant tree? No, said the bears. These are the bear trees. We ran and we ran. We walked and we walked. We looked and we looked. But we still couldn't find the elephant tree. Never mind, elephant. Wait and see. Here it is. Look. The elephant tree.